Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to log into your Trezor wallet. First, connect your Trezor hardware wallet to your computer using the USB cable it came with. Make sure your device is powered on and ready. Then, open your web browser and navigate to the official Trezor Suite website. This is the primary interface for managing your cryptocurrency assets securely. It's a straightforward first step to accessing your digital funds. Once your Trezor is connected, you have two main options to access Trezor Suite. You can either use the web application directly in your browser, which is super convenient as it requires no installation. Alternatively, for enhanced security and offline access, you can download and install the desktop application. Both options provide a secure gateway to your wallet, so choose the one that best fits your needs and preferences. Now it's time to enter your personal identification number. Your Trezor device will show a unique 9-digit PIN layout on its screen. On your computer, you will see a scrambled keypad. Carefully match the numbers on your computer screen to the positions displayed on your Trezor device. Then, click or type your PIN using your computer's mouse or keyboard. This method prevents keyloggers from capturing your sensitive information. Finally, if you have enabled the passphrase feature, you will be prompted to enter it. This optional, yet highly recommended, security layer creates a hidden wallet, providing an extra layer of protection for your digital assets. Always type your passphrase very carefully, paying close attention to every character. Double-check for accuracy before confirming, as an incorrect passphrase will lead to a different, empty wallet. You are almost there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.